In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable email, open, and link tracking in Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on tracking globally and make sure each email you compose is actually tracked, so you can see when your recipients open messages and click links. First, in your Freshsales account, look toward the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From there, head into Settings, then open Email Settings. Inside this area, you'll find an option labeled Track Opens and Clicks. Depending on your view, it may appear as a checkbox or a toggle, but the function is the same. Go ahead and enable it. Don't forget to save your settings before you leave this page. Saving makes the change active for your account. Turning on this global setting tells Freshsales to embed a tiny, invisible tracking pixel in the emails you send from Freshsales and to convert your links into tracking links. That way, when a recipient opens your email or clicks a link, Freshsales can record that event and update the email status to opened or clicked. This is especially helpful for timing follow-ups and understanding which messages and calls to action are getting engagement. Keep in mind, tracking applies to emails sent from within Freshsales, and it won't retroactively track anything you sent before enabling it. Now, even with the global setting on, you'll still want to pay attention when you compose an email. In the Email Compose window, you'll often see a track option. Again, it might be a checkbox or a toggle, specifically for that message. Make sure it's enabled before you hit Send. If this is off for a particular email, that one message won't be tracked, even though the global setting is active. A quick glance to confirm the tracking option is on can save you from missing valuable engagement data. A few helpful notes as you use tracking. Some recipients or security tools block images, which can prevent open tracking from firing, and some organizations may sanitize links, which can affect click tracking. That's normal across many email platforms. Also, only users with access to email settings can change the global toggle. If you don't see it, your admin may control that permission. Finally, be mindful of your audience and any applicable consent or privacy requirements when using tracking. That's it. Enable tracking in email settings, save, and then confirm the track option in the Compose window each time you send. With those two actions, you'll have the visibility you need to follow up smarter.